Are you ready to unleash your inner Picasso but feel more like a modern-day stick figure artist? Fear not, my creative comrades. The world of drawing tablets is here to transform your doodles into digital masterpieces. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the pixelated pond, the right tablet can make all the difference. Join us as we explore the best drawing tablets on the market. Because why should your imagination be limited by the confines of paper? Let's get sketchy. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. HUION Inspiroy Frego, our pick for best budget drawing tablet. If you're on the hunt for a drawing tablet that doesn't just deliver art but transforms your creative process, then the HUION Inspiroy Frego is your new best friend. With its minimalist design, yes, that means no distracting shortcut keys, it's like having a blank canvas that lets your imagination run wild across a 10 by 6.25-inch space that's just a smidge smaller than A4. Talk about spacious. Connectivity? You've got options. Whether you want to go the traditional USB-C route or embrace the freedom of Bluetooth, the Frego adapts to your style. And with a stellar battery life capable of lasting up to 24 hours on just 2.5 hours of charging, you can keep the creative juices flowing longer than a double-shot espresso. Equipped with the slim PW550S pen, your strokes will be smooth and precise, thanks to its 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Plus, you get handy side keys for quick access to your go-to tools. Got a mobile device? No problem. It connects easily to Android and iOS devices, so you can unleash your artistry on the go. Worried about hand fatigue? The ergonomic design cradles your wrist like a soft pillow, allowing for hours of comfortable creation. Compact and portable, the built-in nylon pen holder makes it your ultimate travel companion. So why not grab your Frego and let the masterpiece making commence? Your creative journey awaits. Number 4. Wacom Intuos, our pick for best drawing tablet for photo and video editing. If you've ever felt the nagging urge to unleash your inner Picasso but were thwarted by outdated tech, it's time to upgrade your game with the Wacom Intuos Medium Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet. Experience the magic of Wacom's EMR battery-free technology. It's like having a pen that glides across the canvas as smoothly as butter on warm toast. Why limit your creativity to one program? With this versatile tablet, you can unleash your artistic prowess across any software. Whether you're sketching your next masterpiece, painting your digital dreams, or editing the perfect video, the Wacom Intuos is your trusty sidekick in creativity. Tired of being tethered to your desk? Break free. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, or plug in with a USB-A cable and let your imagination roam. Whether you're lounging on the couch, hanging out in class, or soaking up the sun outside. And here's the cherry on top. Your purchase includes access to some of the hottest creative software and online training. Wacom has been leading the charge in drawing tablets for over 40 years, so you know you're in good hands. With 96 levels of pressure sensitivity, every stroke, subtle as a whisper or bold as a shout, will come to life. Ready to turn your creative dreams into reality. Still searching for the perfect drawing tablet? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. HUION KAMVAS Pro 13, our pick for best mid-range drawing tablet. Are you ready to elevate your artistic game with the HUION KAMVAS Pro 13 drawing tablet? This isn't just your average drawing tablet. It's a sleek 13.3-inch canvas with full HD resolution that'll make your artwork pop like never before. With its full laminated screen and IPS panel, say goodbye to pesky glare and hello to breathtaking clarity. Those wide 178-degree viewing angles mean you can share your masterpieces without sacrificing detail, even if you're huddled with your creative squad. But wait, there's more. You're about to fall in love with the stunning color output. With a whopping 120% sRGB color gamut, this beauty delivers the accuracy you need for everything from photography to graphic design. Your colors will leap off the screen. Worried about comfort while you create? The adjustable ST300 stand has your back with multiple angles to keep your neck and shoulders happy. And at just 11 mm thin and under 910 gram, it's perfect for on-the-go creativity. Feeling fancy? The customizable express keys and touch bar simplify your workflow, giving you quicker access to your favorite shortcuts. And the pen? Battery-free, lightweight, and packed with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It feels like an extension of your hand, only better. So why settle for mediocrity when you can create with the Kamvas Pro 13? It's not just a tablet, it's your new creative partner in crime. Number 2. Apple iPad Pro M4, our pick for best drawing tablet for Apple users. Are you ready to meet your ultimate creative sidekick? The 11-inch iPad Pro is here to revolutionize your artistic journey. With a treasure trove of drawing and artist apps at your fingertips, you'll be sketching, painting, and illustrating like a pro in no time. This isn't just a tablet, it's your highly responsive canvas, especially when paired with the Apple Pencil. Say goodbye to mediocre doodles and hello to precision and flair! But wait, there's more. Your workflow is about to get a serious upgrade. If you're rocking a Mac, you'll love how seamlessly you can transfer your masterpieces with Apple's continuity feature. Annotating directly on your Mac with your iPad is a game changer. And let's not forget about those heavy hitters, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. With high-performance versions available on your iPad, you get all the advanced tools you crave right in the palm of your hand. Goodbye to the days of envy as you watch others work at their desks. With 256 GB of storage and cloud options, you'll never have to delete that brilliant idea or cute sketch again. The breathtaking 2388 by 1668 pixel display ensures that your creations pop with vibrant colors, all while weighing only a pound. So grab your iPad Pro and unleash your creativity. Your artistic adventure awaits. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Pro, our pick for best drawing tablet overall. If you've ever felt that your creativity deserves a sidekick as powerful as your imagination, then the Wacom Intuos Pro drawing tablet just might be your new best friend. This isn't just another tablet, it's your gateway to precision artistry. With its trusted Pro Pen technology, you can dive into image editing, illustration, or design work without a hitch. And who doesn't want to combine work and play? The ultra-responsive Wacom Pro Pen 2 is here to save the day. Sporting an impressive 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, this battery-free wonder is all about effortless control. It feels just right in your hand, letting you channel your inner artist like a pro. But wait, there's more. With its compact Bluetooth design, you'll find yourself dancing through creative tasks with ease. Touch gestures? Check. Programmable buttons? Oh, you bet. Personalizing your workflow has never been this fun. And let's talk productivity. You can supercharge your creative flow with multi-touch gestures, navigate through your artistic adventure smoothly, and unlock shortcuts with customizable 8 express keys and a touch ring. Say goodbye to fumbling around like a clumsy octopus. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity and revolutionize your artistic journey? The Wacom Intuos Pro is here to make sure that every stroke, every pixel, and every idea comes to life just the way you envisioned it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best drawing tablets. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which drawing tablet you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.